Hello, everyone. Are you wondering how to introduce dogs to children? Let's explore. Introducing dogs to children should be done carefully to ensure the safety and comfort of both the dog and the child. Start by teaching the child how to approach a dog calmly and gently. Encourage the child to let the dog sniff them first before petting, and explain the importance of being gentle, especially with sensitive areas like the ears and tail. Keep the dog on a leash during the initial introduction to control the situation and prevent any sudden movements or excitement. Supervise all interactions closely to make sure the dog is comfortable and not overwhelmed. If the dog shows signs of stress, such as backing away, growling, or yawning, give them some space and try again later. Positive reinforcement, like treats and praise, can help the dog associate being around children with good experiences. Over time, with patience and careful management, most dogs will learn to interact calmly and safely with children. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.